The creature that you see on your screen is an amoeba. Amoebas are mystery creatures. Even those who are not interested in biology can recall this name. But amoeba is not a completely accurate classification. It's like calling paramecium, rotifers and vorticella ciliates. It's true, they are, but it's a very wide angle. It is an older system of classification that still tags along with us today. The microbiologists of the day split the single-celled organisms into 4 distinct categories: the already mentioned ciliates, flagellates, sporozoas, and amoebas. Amoebas are the ones who has the pseudopodia. You can see how they transform the shape of their bodies and how they pump their cytoplasm to form their so-called legs. Pseudopodia. If I want to translate it to English, it means something like virtual legs or fake legs, pseudo legs. However, they do not transform their bodies only for changing their position in space. This is also how they hunt their prey. They wrap their pseudopodia around the food and they pull it into their bodies. This procedure is called endocytosis, or in some cases, phagocytosis. You may ask, why did I emphasize that the term amoeba is a very wide category? Let me show it to you. This is a heliozoa, which are not really lookalikes with the other 2 amoeba genus I have showcased so far in this video. I won't spoil too much about them because I will make a separate video on them, as they are very interesting creatures as well. But they also belong to the category amoebas. There is a well-known rumor going around about amoebas, that these creatures particularly enjoy eating brains. Well, this is true to a certain extent. There are some amoeba species that consume nerve tissues, including your brain, but it's a strong exaggeration to say that amoebas generally are eating brains. There are some cases, but that's relatively rare. I want to say a few words about their body structure, which will be very short because there's not too much going on inside of these creatures. They have a nucleus, as expected. They have a contractile vacuole to regulate their density, the amount of water they have inside the endoplasm. And they have food vacuoles to digest their food. This is also as expected. And those small fleshy things swimming around inside of the cell are crystals. This is basically it. Some might have cytoskeleton and other parts, but maybe I'll have a deep dive video on this topic. This one is just an overview of these little aliens. For now, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please check out my other explorations within the microbial life. And have a very wonderful day. Francis signs out.